Hey guys, Richard here with Downgrid Survival, doing another truck ramble. I'm out of the studio this week and possibly next week because we're doing some renovating, and I've got things kind of tore up, so you're stuck in here in the truck with me. But I do have this video planned that I was going to release in about 2 weeks, but some information came out today that made it kind of prudent that I share it with you now. So I'm just going to do a little impromptu and share some information with you that I think you will like, that's kind of important. Now, some information came out today that said I'll just read the headline to you. Experts warn of U.S. grid failure in hot summer months. And basically, it's a nonprofit organization that monitors the electrical grid here in the United States. And they also monitor capacity and usage and how much is stored, and just what's available. And they're saying that the United States, particularly in the Midwest, is at high risk of grid failure this summer because of when the hot summer months kick in and people are using more electricity. They're saying there's not enough capacity to meet demand. So, and I'm going to throw this graphic up on the screen that they released today, but basically it shows that the Midwest section is at high risk. Okay, this is at high risk of just normal electrical usage, high risk of failure. Now, we know there's a lot of problems out west where there's droughts and a lot of the electrical plants are not operating at full capacity. Even out west, they're at an elevated risk, but not a high risk. Okay, so it's getting pretty serious. So the folks, down in Texas, Louisiana area, parts of Indiana, Michigan, Wisconsin, everybody out in the Midwest section, they're saying there's just not enough electricity to meet demand as the hot summer months start kicking off. So wanted to bring that to your attention. Now, the video that I was planning on releasing about 2 weeks from now is actually about a new product from EcoFlow. Now, if you're not familiar with EcoFlow, they're a company that's been around for a few years, and they're producing some phenomenal products in the solar energy world, right? They've got some solar battery systems and some really good solar panels to recharge those battery systems. They've even got a system designed that's for your entire house. And so they've got a lot of neat products out there. And they just released, a couple of weeks ago, announced that they've got a solar air conditioner. Now, the solar air conditioner isn't going to power your entire home, okay? It's made to be portable, so it's a lot smaller. And it's designed to be used for people who want to go camping in the summertime. You can put it in your tent and cool your tent. Or people who are traveling that maybe won't sleep in your car or your truck, you can cool that space down. So basically, a space, maybe a 10 by 10 room, which is kind of like a small bedroom, that's what it'll cool. It won't cool much more than that. But the idea is, this is perfect for disaster preparedness because, I live in Florida, and so if we get a tropical storm blowing through here and we lose electricity for a few days or a few weeks or a month, well, guess what? I'll be able to put this air conditioner in a small bedroom or small space, and my family will have a place to retreat to get some relief from the elements, right? And be able to cool it off. So I think it's going to be a great product. I've already got mine on order. I'll be getting it in another week or two. And as soon as I get it, I'll start releasing videos to show you all about it and how it works. But I encourage you to go out there and check it out for yourself right now, because they are offering some special pricing for pre-ordering this thing. So you can save quite a bit of money if you go out and order it now. Now, at the time of this video, you've got about 20 days left in order to get the special pricing. So use the affiliate link down in the description below. It is an affiliate link. I am affiliated with EcoFlow. But if you use that affiliate link, you can go out there and check it out, get the specs, find out if it's something that could be used or something that you're not interested in. But do go check it out, because I think it's going to be a great product. I do a little bit of camping, but primarily I want it as a tool to be able to cool down some space in my home when the electricity goes out, okay? And I'll be able to recharge it with the solar panels I already have and with the solar battery system I already have. I'll be able to keep this thing powered up and running for quite a long time. So I'm excited about it. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me know if this is something that you think is a good idea, is a bad idea. I'd be interested in knowing that. So if you have any questions, by all means, drop them down below too, and I'll try to get back to you and answer what I can about the product. It is new, so I don't have a lot of specs on it yet. But again, watch for that video, because I'm going to be doing some more videos here real soon. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and ring the little bell so you get notified of those new videos when they come out. Hey, that's all I got for you this time. Stay safe, stay cool this summer, and hit the like button if you like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.